Hello everyone, you are watching Tanveer Riaz Foundation, and today we will discuss another scholarship opportunity with you guys. This scholarship belongs to Australia, and it's a highly paid scholarship for postgraduate degrees like master degree and PhD degrees. The first of all, it is offered in UNSW. UNSW is a top rank university all over the world, and also top rank university in Australia. So application period for UNSW graduate scholarship 2022 is now open. It is the ideal option for those who desire to obtain master's or doctorate degree from one of Australian magnificent universities. Here are some details related to University of New South Wales UNSW, and about the scholarship, and you can also have a look the total number of programs, the PhD program durations and master program durations, and the ranking and other information in these two paragraphs. From here, the host university which we are going to discuss with you is University of New South Wales, and the scholarship available for master and PhD degree programs. Scholarship coverage, it is a fully funded. That means you will get a monthly stipend, your tuition fees will be waived off, you will get free accommodation, you will get free medical insurance and other related things in fully funded scholarships. Eligible candidates, all internationals are eligible for this scholarship, and the last date is February 4, 2022. Definitely the country, as I already told you, is Australia for this scholarship. Scholarship is completely supported. This country is on the other hand offers a big number of scholarship to students in various disciplines. Again, here is the grant. Students selected for this award will additionally get a stipend of $28,597 per year. You can divide it to 12, and also you can get a monthly stipend amount for this scholarship. That means it is a highly paid scholarship. Documents you must have before applying for this funding opportunity, that is academic transcript, your updated resume, copy of valid passport, research proposal, and English language proficiency certificate. If you have IELTS, then it's well and good to apply for this scholarship, but there is some kind of relaxation for this language proficiency. You can check here the requirements. We have uploaded the link here. In some situation, IELTS is waived off due to COVID and some other kind of situation. If your previous degree is not older than 2 years, then your IELTS will also be waived off. But if your previous degree, like you are going to apply for a PhD program, but your master degree you are graduated in 2015 and 14, some 5 or 6 years later, then you must have to do IELTS. But if your previous degree is latest, like you are graduated in previous year, and you can waive off the IELTS requirement. But first you have to check your requirements here. Either you fulfill all the requirement to waive off the IELTS test, or you have to do the IELTS for this scholarship. And the duration for this amount, they will pay you the amount for 3.5 years for a PhD program, and for the master you will get this funding for 2 years. Nationalities, eligibility criteria, again UNSW graduate scholarship are open to all overseas students. Applicant with a strong academic record. That means you have good grades in your previous record. You will be preferred. English proficiency is required. Holders of nationality are ineligible. The student must not be receiving any other financial aid. And the age limit for master, there is a 35-year age, and for PhD there is a 40-year age limit. Similarly, again, the last date, I'm highlighting it again. The last date to apply for this scholarship is 4 February 2022. And at last, at the bottom of this advertisement, there is official link, and the first one is apply now, and the second one is official site. So I will share the link of this advertisement at the description of this video. You can go to there and find all the information here and prepare these documents. Check your language proficiency requirement and then start applying for this. But if you feel any kind of difficulty, you can contact with us, with our team. We will try our best to respond you in a very quick way. So this one is the first link. Apply now is the online application system for UNSW. So you can create your account here and then start applying for your degree program. And the second one, this blue color link is the official announcement for this scholarship. So here is the official scholarship advertisement for this scholarship, and the first one is the online admission portal. So all information are here. Best of luck for your degree program. Apply there, and again, if you have any difficulty, then contact with us. So see you guys to next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.